Good morning. Today is Wednesday, May 27th, 2020. Here's your meme of the day. Please remember to watch Read the Daily Message every day, complete your assigned work, turn in your work. Today we're turning in lesson 12.2, and also make sure you are checking in with me. Today is Wednesday, so if you're in my homeroom, you need to check in with me by the end of the day. If you don't, you'll be marked absent for Tuesday and Wednesday. And I've only heard from about 4 of you. So like I said, today we're doing lesson 12.2, experimental probability of simple events. I need you to watch those lesson videos. They'll be linked below. Make sure you're watching them. Complete the independent practice, the exit ticket, and turn in your work. You can either text me, email me, or turn it in on Teams. If you have questions, I'll be online from 9 to 11 and 1 to 2. Have a good day.